Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW X1 in neutral with a dead battery. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. You'll need to access the emergency gear release, which is typically found near the gear selector. Gather a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool to help with the process. This method is crucial for moving your car when the battery is completely dead. Once the parking brake is set, carefully pry up the trim panel surrounding your gear selector. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently lift the edges, being mindful not to scratch the interior. Beneath this panel, you will find a small access hole or a removable cover. This opening reveals the emergency gear release mechanism, which is often a distinctively colored tab, usually yellow or red, designed for easy identification. With the access hole exposed, insert your screwdriver or tool into the opening. You need to firmly push down on the emergency release tab. While continuously holding this tab down, simultaneously move your gear selector from park into the neutral position. You should feel the selector move freely once the tab is fully depressed. This action disengages the transmission, allowing the wheels to spin. Remember to always re-engage your parking brake immediately after moving the vehicle to prevent any unintended rolling. If you encounter any resistance or difficulty during this process, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic to avoid potential damage. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.